Now, certain words or tips that you must follow, that if you are doing these obstacles, please don't do it in a zigzag manner. जनरली कंडीशन लोगों के दिमाग में क्या होती है कि हम 10 के बाद में 9 पे जाएं, 9 के बाद में 8 पे जाएं. Don't think on those lines. Whichever place you want to start, you start from there and follow in the same sequence. Whether you follow it the clockwise or you follow it anti-clockwise, but follow that. And in between obstacles, please don't walk, run. And it's just a question of 3 minutes. And sometimes you might get some injury or presence from the rope. Don't look at this, just continue doing it. क्योंकि 3 मिनट में कुछ नहीं होता है और आपकी उम्र पे वैसे भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं गिरने वाला. द रिकवरी प्रोसेस इज़ फास्टर. You will recover it very, very fast. Maybe that by the time you go for the conference, it would have been repaired. It's only at our age it takes time. So that is how you should go. Second tip is, if you are unable to do an obstacle, please for God's sake don't give up. Attempt it second time. And if you are still unable to do it, then you push off to the next one. It shows two things. In case you give up at the first time, that means the individual is in habit of giving up. And if you continue to stick onto the same after second attempt, that means you are totally getting stuck and not moving ahead. Okay? Now, any doubts for this? If let's say 201 is doing it here, there has to be somebody standing to support. Okay? और एक ही चीज़ ध्यान रखना, किसी भी ऑब्स्टिकल को करने में नीचे मत देखना. Don't look down. The moment you look down, you are bound to get shaky. This is the advice I can give you. And in doing this, try and catch the rope either at your height or slightly below at an angle of 45 degrees. उसमें क्या होगा, जैसे ही आप पकड़ोगे, you will be able to come down, straight away jump down. But don't slide it. Slide में चोट लगती है. Hold and jump. अगर ऊंचा पकड़ोगे तो you will feel थोड़ा सा डर लगेगा कूदने में, पर अगर आप 45 पे पकड़ेंगे, it is correct thing and you will be able to do. और 45 पे कैसे आएगा? आप ऊपर पहुंचते हो, just sit and then jump, then take a leap. You will be able to do it.